Welcome to Zoho Analytics video demo. In this video, we are going over data alerts. To make informed business decisions, you need to know when significant changes happen in your business data. Manually monitoring a huge data set that continues to grow every day is a tedious job. It's easy to miss vital information that needs your attention. Data alerts help you with this. They alert you about important business changes that you set up as conditions and enable you to take appropriate timely action to seize opportunities. You can create data alerts for charts, pivot views, and summary views. Please note that you cannot apply alerts when advanced summary functions are applied on columns or when a report formula is used. Let's see how to set up data alerts for a chart. Data alerts help you monitor the data group in a report. In charts, each data point is a data group. First, open the chart that you want to monitor. Click the alert icon and then Create Alert. The Create Alert dialog will open. Now, specify an alert name. In the Condition section, you'll find a list of the report's columns along with their applied functions. Select the desired columns, apply the appropriate filter functions, and set the criteria values to define your alert conditions. You can add multiple conditions by clicking the Add Condition link, utilizing logical operators like and or. To define how these conditions interact, in the How Often section, set the desired frequency for evaluating these conditions. An alert will be triggered whenever your data satisfies the specified criteria. Now, let's see how to configure an alert over a pivot table. In pivot tables, you can monitor the grand summary, the row or column subtotal, and the data cells. Open the Create Alert dialog and specify an alert name. The alert based on section provides three options. Selecting Grand Summary will apply the conditions over the pivot's Grand Summary. Selecting Subtotal will apply the conditions over the summary of the row and column you're specifying. Selecting Data will apply the conditions over the pivot's data cells. Now, specify your condition. Here, we configure it to trigger alerts when the current year's sales deviate from a predefined range. Creating an alert over summary will be similar to charts. Once you've set up your alert conditions, let's configure what happens when they're triggered. Zoho Analytics offers several action options. Select Email to send an email when an alert is triggered. Add recipients, write your message, and include the report if needed. Select an App Notification to configure a notification inside Zoho Analytics. Click Save. When your data meets the set condition, the action that you have configured will get triggered. Thanks for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on our toll-free numbers.